This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by installing drivers and confirming firmware so the Panda Mini can communicate reliably. Plug the unit into a direct USB-C port. This reduces power and latency issues. Once connected, launch FL Studio and open Options, Audio Settings, and MIDI Settings. Do this now so the next steps can address routing. Make sure your audio interface and sample rate are set. Then keep FL's MIDI input panel visible for immediate device selection later. Now you'll enable the Panda Mini as a MIDI device inside FL Studio and create a receive path. Go to MIDI settings and enable the Panda Mini input. Set it to controller type if available. Add a MIDI out channel or an instrument plugin on the channel rack and select Panda Mini as the input port. Once done, map the pads or keys to the plugin's MIDI channels and turn on input monitoring so you can hear triggers immediately while you play or record. Finish by arming a pattern or playlist track and recording to confirm MIDI passes through. You'll want to open the piano roll to verify note numbers and velocities, then quantize or adjust mapping as needed. If you prefer sample triggering, route Panda pads to sampler or SliceX and test playback. If nothing appears, check drivers, try a different USB port or cable, confirm MIDI port numbers in FL, and restart both devices. One quick driver reinstall often resolves persistent connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.